The reactions from around the world continue to come in, and especially from within Iraq. Ammar al-Hakim, who's a leader of the Supreme Council for the Islamic Revolution in Iraq, said, "We want Saddam to get what he deserves. I believe he will be sentenced to hundreds of death sentences at a fair trial because he is responsible for all the massacres and the crimes in Iraq." Ammar al-Hakim is a Shiite, and of course the Shiite people suffered greatly under his regime. Quick review for those of you just joining us. Saddam Hussein was captured last night at just before 8:30 p.m. Iraqi time by Special Task Force 121, led by the 4th Infantry Division, and it was Wolverine Brigade Combat Team Number 1 that uncovered the hole in which he was hiding, disheveled, bearded. There were new clothes around, but he was quite bedraggled, and he chatted a lot as he came out of the hole without firing a shot. And now we presume he is being interrogated by his American captors, probably at the Baghdad International Airport in Baghdad. There has been a dramatic change then in the equation in Iraq. We'll see what happens with the continuing war of the insurgency. Let's go to the White House now and the President of the United States.
Good afternoon. Yesterday, December the 13th, at around 8:30 p.m. Baghdad time, United States military forces captured Saddam Hussein alive. He was found near a farmhouse outside the city of Tikrit in a swift raid conducted without casualties. And now the former dictator of Iraq will face the justice he denied to millions. The capture of this man was crucial to the rise of a free Iraq. It marks the end of the road for him and for all who bullied and killed in his name. For the Ba'athist holdouts largely responsible for the current violence, there will be no return to the corrupt power and privilege they once held. For the vast majority of Iraqi citizens who wish to live as free men and women, this event brings further assurance that the torture chambers and the secret police are gone forever. And this afternoon, I have a message for the Iraqi people. You will not have to fear the rule of Saddam Hussein ever again. On behalf of the nation, I thank the members of our armed forces, and I congratulate them. I also have a message for all Americans. The capture of Saddam Hussein does not mean the end of violence in Iraq. We still face terrorists who would rather go on killing the innocent than accept the rise of liberty in the heart of the Middle East. Such men are a direct threat to the American people, and they will be defeated. We've come to this moment through patience and resolve and focused action, and that is our strategy moving forward. The war on terror is a different kind of war, waged capture by capture, cell by cell, and victory by victory. Our security is assured by our perseverance and by our sure belief in the success of liberty. And the United States of America will not relent until this war is won. May God bless the people of Iraq, and may God bless America. Thank you.